Hello friends, I am Dr. Asha Kadam Pendhari. Welcomes in my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to continue our last topic, matrix and determinants. Determinants plays an important role in finding the inverse of a matrix and also in solving systems of linear equations. Definition of determinants. The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix was introduced and used in the evaluation of a cross product. The determinant has a variety of applications. Now, the difference of matrix and determinants. We can easily see that in matrix, it is only denoted with any numerical or any alphabet. But determinants of matrix is denoted with DET. DET means determinants of A. Features of determinants. Economic analysis and economic theories are widely used in business management. Managerial economics analyze the practical application of economic logic and principles. Managerial economics elaborates how economic concepts, principles, and economic logic can be applied in taking business decisions and formulating future plans. Managerial economics integrates economic theory with business practice for decision making process and forecasting of planning by management. Managerial economics lies on the borderlines between economics and business management and bridges the gap between the two. In the words of Hug, managerial economics is concerned with using logic of economics, mathematics, and statistics to provide effective ways of thinking about business decision problems. Types of determinants. There are three types of determinants. First, evaluating a determinant. Determinant is calculated to know the difference between two cross factors. Here we have one example. First row AB, second row CD. Now, when the numerical values are given to this example 3 to 1 4. Now, according to the rule, we will make cross multiplication. So, 3 by 4 and 2 by 1. But we want to know the difference between determinants. So, 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Minus symbol is there. So, 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Third order determinants. We have 3 by 3 matrix. In this third order determinants, the symbols are given alternatively. So, we have plus, minus, plus and then again minus. In this example, we know that A1 into bracket B2 C2, B3 C3 minus B1 because alternative signs. A2 C2, A3 C3. Now alternative side plus C1, A2 B2, A3 B3. The third type, fourth order determinants. These are evaluated using third order determinants and alternative signs are given. We have one example of 4 by 3 means 4 rows and 3 columns, and we will also again write this example with alternative signs. Now the application of determinants. First, reconciling theoretical concepts of economics in relation to the actual business behavior and conditions. There is need to reconcile the theoretical principles based on business assumptions related to actual business practices and to develop or reformulate the economic theory. Economic theory always acts for maximization of profit, and so the theory suggests how much the firm will produce and at what price it would sell their products. Second, estimating economic relationship. Measurement of various types of elasticity of demand like price elasticity, income elasticity, cross elasticity, substitution elasticity are provided by business economics. This relationship of business and economics is used for the purpose of business forecasts. Third, predicting economic quantities. Most of the business decisions are taken on the basis of uncertainty. Economic analysis makes possible the forecasting of economic quantities like profit, demand, production cost, price, capital, and other relevant quantities. The task of taking business decisions and formulating forecast plans becomes simpler and less risk due to prediction of economic activities. Basic of business policies. Business policies and plans for the future can be formulated on the basis of economic quantities, helpful in understanding the external forces constituting the environment. The business management has to see the relevance and effects of external forces such as business cycle, trends in national income and expenditure, government policies relating to taxation, licensing and price control, etc., and adjust his business policies with the impact of these external forces. Economic theories are applied to know the impact of these external forces on business. Students, if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.